Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my channel after a pretty long time. So today I shall be discussing with you certain small and important tips and tricks regarding the different structures which pass through the various foramina of the skull. This is a very volatile topic which you often tend to forget. So here giving you some easy tips to remember it. So we all know we have got one foramen in the skull which is called foramen ovale. How do we identify foramen ovale? Remember, it's an oval structure. Even if we see the photo of the foramina of the skull, we will see that foramen ovale is an oval structure. Now, how do we remember the structures which pass through foramen ovale? An important mnemonic, an easy mnemonic to remember the structures is male, M-A-L-E. Male structures pass through foramen ovale. So, what does male stand for? What is M? Now, there is some confusion among students. Even it used to be with me when I was preparing for my exams, whether M is the mandibular nerve or M is the maxillary nerve. Another mnemonic to remember it. Remember, male is a man. So, male ka M stands for mandibular nerve, that is V3, and not maxillary nerve, that is V2. So, male M stands for mandibular nerve, V3. What is A? Axillary meningeal artery. What is L? Lesser petrosal nerve. And what is E? Emissary vein. So the four structures which pass through foramen ovale are the male structures. M, male is a man, so mandibular nerve or V3. A, axillary meningeal artery. L, lesser petrosal nerve. E, emissary vein. So these are the four structures which pass through foramen ovale. Male, okay. Another thing, if we want to remember, we can remember like this. Another topic, that is from anterior to posterior. What are the four foramina? Anteriorly, we have got superior orbital fissure. So, fissure we will remember by F. Just posterior to it, we have got foramen rotundum. We will remember by R for rotundum. Just posterior to that, we have got foramen ovale. Okay, so ovale ka O. And just posterior to that, we have got foramen spinosum. That is FROS. So, from anterior to posterior, we have got we have got anterior to posterior, superior orbital fissure F, foramen rotundum R, foramen ovale O, and foramen spinosum S. FROS. Fros is the mnemonic from anterior to posterior. Why am I saying all these things? Because that is how we are going to remember what are the structures passing through what. Remember, the fifth cranial nerve, that is the trigeminal nerve, has got three branches. V1 or ophthalmic division. This passes through Frosca F. V2 or the maxillary division. This passes through Frosca R. And V3 or the mandibular nerve, this passes through Frosca O. So F से पास करता है V1, R से पास करता है V2 and O से पास करता है V3.